Just mix Vaseline with banana and you'll be amazed. Once you've tried this mixture once, you'll never want to go a night without it. The results are so impressive that it will seem like you've discovered a beauty secret that nobody shares. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Let's get started. First, get a large plate. This will make everything easier. Now, take a ripe banana and use only half of it, as I'm doing here. Place the banana on the plate and, with the help of a fork, mash it well until it turns into a smooth paste. Make sure there are no large chunks. The more mashed, the better. Comment below where you're from. Let's see where everyone is watching from. Now it's time to add the main ingredient, Vaseline. Add a tablespoon of Vaseline to the mashed banana. Mix the two ingredients well. Stir until the petroleum jelly is completely incorporated into the banana, forming a rich, creamy texture. The mixture should be smooth, soft, and easy to spread. Once everything is well mixed, transfer it to a small bowl or container. It will then be ready to apply and easy to store for the future. Now, you're probably wondering, what's it for? Here's the secret. Bananas are full of beneficial nutrients for the skin, such as vitamins A, B, and E, which deeply nourish and repair the skin. What about Vaseline? It helps retain moisture and creates a protective barrier, intensifying hydration overnight. Apply generously to your hands, feet, elbows, or even face before bed. Leave it on while you sleep. And don't move, because now I'm going to share another powerful Vaseline recipe that you've probably never seen. Take a small bowl and add a tablespoon of cornstarch. You may not know it, but cornstarch has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe irritated skin. Next, add a tablespoon of Vaseline. To top it off, add a tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in vitamins and healthy fatty acids that deeply nourish and moisturize the skin. Comment below where you're from. Let's see where everyone is watching from. It also has antibacterial properties, which makes it excellent for keeping your skin soft and protected. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now mix everything together until it forms a creamy, white, and smooth mixture. The texture should be rich but easy to spread. This homemade balm has quickly become my go-to nighttime skin treatment. It deeply moisturizes while you sleep, leaving your skin refreshed and smooth in the morning. Use it on your hands, elbows, knees, or feet, any area that needs extra care. With continued use, you'll notice a visible difference in skin texture and tone. Share this tip with your friends who need a natural and effective trick that really works. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.